One medical emergency abroad, one canceled flight, or even one lost bag, and suddenly your dream vacation becomes a $10,000 nightmare. Every year, thousands of senior travelers skip travel insurance or buy the wrong policy thinking they're saving money, only to face catastrophic bills. Denied claims, and financial disasters they'll never recover from. The worst part? Insurance companies aren't going to tell you what's really covered or what loopholes will leave you stranded and broke. They'll happily take your premium, then deny your claim when you need it most. And by then, it's too late. Today, I'm revealing the travel insurance secrets that seniors absolutely must know before 2026, from hidden coverage gaps that cost thousands to insider strategies that protect your money and your health every single time you travel. Let's start with the biggest secret insurance companies hope you never discover. Secret number 1. Buy early or pre-existing isn't covered. Here's a hard truth many seniors learn too late. If you have a pre-existing condition like diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, or arthritis, travel insurance won't cover anything related to it unless you buy the policy within 14 to 21 days of booking your trip. This is called the pre-existing condition waiver, and it's the most important rule to know. Miss that window, and your coverage is basically useless. If your condition flares up, you need to cancel on your doctor's advice, or you require emergency care abroad, insurers can deny every claim, leaving you with bills that can hit $50,000 to $100,000. Most seniors only discover this rule when it's already too late. The fix is simple. Buy travel insurance the same day you book your flight or hotel. Don't wait, don't shop around later, lock it in immediately to activate the waiver. Even if you feel fine, anything treated in the last 60 to 180 days can count as pre-existing. One refill or routine checkup is enough to disqualify you if you delay. Secret number 2. Medicare doesn't work outside the United States. This might be the most dangerous myth senior travelers believe, that Medicare will cover them if they get sick or injured abroad. It won't. Medicare provides zero coverage outside the United States, except in extremely rare cases involving Canada or Mexico under very specific circumstances. If you have a heart attack in Paris, a fall in London, or a stroke in Tokyo, Medicare won't pay a single dollar. You'll be on the hook for every emergency room visit, every ambulance ride, every hospital stay, and every medical evacuation, and international healthcare bills can easily exceed $100,000. Travel insurance with robust medical coverage is the only protection you have, and most seniors skip it because they assume Medicare has them covered. Here's what you need. At minimum, $100,000 in emergency medical coverage and $250,000 in medical evacuation coverage. Medical evacuation alone, flying you back to the U.S. on a medical plane with doctors and equipment, can cost $50,000 to $150,000, and without insurance, that bill is entirely yours. Some policies also include repatriation of remains, which covers the cost of transporting your body home if the worst happens. It's not pleasant to think about, but it can save your family $10,000 to $20,000 in a devastating situation. Secret number 3. Trip cancellation doesn't cover everything. Most travelers think trip cancellation insurance means they can cancel for any reason and get their money back, but that's absolutely not how it works. Standard trip cancellation policies only cover a narrow list of reasons: serious illness, death in the family, natural disasters, jury duty, and a few other specific situations. If you simply change your mind, if your friend backs out, if you're nervous about travel, or if a non-covered family member gets sick, you're out of luck. The insurance company will deny your claim, and you'll lose every dollar you paid for flights, hotels, and tours. Here's the secret. If you want true flexibility, you need Cancel for Any Reason coverage, also called CFAR. This upgrade costs about 40 to 50% more than standard insurance.
CFAR lets you cancel your trip for any reason and recover 50 to 75% of your non-refundable costs. You'll still lose some money, but it's way better than losing everything. The catch? CFAR must be bought within 14 to 21 days of your first trip deposit, and you must insure 100% of your trip cost. Miss either rule and CFAR isn't available, period. Secret number 4, baggage coverage has tight limits. If your luggage is lost, damaged, or stolen, insurance won't replace everything inside. Most policies cap baggage coverage at $500 to $1,500 total, with per item limits of $50 to $250. That means an $800 laptop, $600 camera, and $300 watch could still get you only $500 back. Many policies also exclude electronics, jewelry, and cash unless you buy extra coverage. On top of that, claims usually require receipts and proof of ownership, paperwork most travelers don't have on hand. The smarter move? Don't rely on baggage coverage at all. Instead, pack valuable items in your carry-on where you can control them. And if you're traveling with expensive equipment, check if your homeowner's or renter's insurance covers personal property outside your home. Many policies do, and the coverage limits are often higher than what travel insurance offers. Secret number 5, not all policies cover adventure activities. If your travel plans include anything remotely adventurous, your standard travel insurance might not cover injuries from those activities. Insurance companies classify these as hazardous activities, and many policies exclude them entirely unless you purchase specialized adventure coverage. I've heard heartbreaking stories of seniors who suffered injuries while ziplining in Costa Rica or snorkeling in Hawaii, only to discover their insurance denied every claim because the activity wasn't covered. Medical bills totaled $40,000 to $80,000, and they paid every cent out of pocket. Before you travel, read your policy's activity exclusions carefully. It's not worth gambling your financial future on an excluded claim. Travel insurance isn't optional for seniors. It's essential. But only if you buy the right policy, understand what's actually covered, and avoid the traps that leave thousands of travelers unprotected every year. From pre-existing condition waivers to Medicare gaps, from cancellation fine print to activity exclusions, the secrets you just learned can save you from financial disasters that destroy retirements. Tell me in the comments if you've ever had to use travel insurance or if you've been denied a claim. If this video just saved you from a costly mistake, hit that like button so more seniors can protect themselves. And don't forget to subscribe for more insider travel tips that keep you safe and smart. Safe travels, and may you never need to use your insurance, but always have it ready.